The wind you're hearing spins this little fan, and look, it's cranking out enough juice to light up that big filament bulb. No cords, just copper in motion. Want the step-by-step and the parts list? It's all in my profile. Imagine never having to worry about a power outage again, or those skyrocketing monthly bills that keep showing up in your mailbox. Most people think you need massive solar panels or expensive batteries to stay off the grid, but the truth is much simpler and cheaper. Jagoi CBS or Dane that the in also checks reason you coffer. I'll think you just read about a tele coffers and in vatcher actually in tessery sense of solar panels are expensive. Our coffers and you coffers and you coffers and this device uses basic electromagnetic induction principles to capture energy from simple mechanical motion, converting it into usable electricity for your home. I've spent months refining this design so that anyone, even if you've never picked up a soldering iron, can assemble it in a single afternoon using materials you can find at any local hardware store. It's not just about lighting a bulb, it's about the freedom of knowing you have a reliable backup plan when the world goes dark or when the grid fails. You've Sreesing 1 Srees and Interial Sreesing 1 Sreesing 1 Sreesing 1 for herd interiors, or Herensid Turin Facians Interials which is bigged up that always darker when the grid fails. I've documented every single measurement, the specific gauge of copper wire you need, and the exact motor model that gives the highest output for the lowest effort. This isn't some theoretical science project you'd see in a textbook, it's a practical rugged tool for your home, your garage, or your off-grid camping trips. I'm tired of seeing people struggle with rising utility costs when the solution is literally right in front of them, hidden in plain sight. Because I want this to reach as many people as possible before big energy companies try to bury this information, I've put the full blueprint and the detailed assembly video in a private folder for my community. Durant a seed, you one taf. No one tried this in BBO in a private stain Belize, with a tiled assembly video in a private folder for my community. You don't need a degree in electrical engineering to reclaim your power and protect your family. If you're ready to stop being a customer and start being a producer, you need to take action right now. Click on my profile image right here on the screen to go to my page, and you'll find the link waiting for you right there. These into chapters in Jolsign of degree in electrical science and teacheria into chapters and tried it. Right here into chapters into chapters into chapters and chapters into me today. Don't wait until the next storm hits or the next bill arrives to wish you had built this. Everything you need to get started today is just one click away on my profile page. Envich, one medio crosses to veneer internal belt and action veneer internation the combination. With the abscess in Francis internationation until the next storm hits for secreture.